Hi, in this course regarding Office 365, we are going to start on how to have access to it. Okay, in this case, the most useful one is to go through the Educación webpage. Then we will go to the private access that we all have. We will write our information. Okay. And the password, of course, and we have to go to our personal environment. In this case, we have the access to our private zone, and from here we can have access to all the different possibilities that Educación offers us. But in this case, we can have the access to Office 365. We also have the direct access to Teams, but as you already know, or you might already know, we can have access from here, but also inside Office 365. Okay, so let's check all the different possibilities that Office 365 offers to us. This is a great asset from Consejería of Castilla y León that offers the possibility for all teachers in Castilla y León to have free access to all the Office 365 tools. All right, we have, of course, the Outlook mail, OneDrive, which is a way to store information, and especially all these presentations, all the documents that maybe are too heavy to share, maybe in an email or something like that, or a video. Then we can upload it in OneDrive and we will have the link to share with other people. We have Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online. All the changes that we do here are saved online. We have OneNote, which is also a way to organize group work. Okay, SharePoint, which is also a way to share different documents, presentations, videos. We have Teams, which we will have another presentation, another video recording session about Teams. Class Notebook, which is also a way for your students and for teachers to share information. Sway is a way to share presentations and videos with other people, that we can work collaboratively in presentations and videos together. Very interesting one. And Forms. Forms is also a very recommended resource that we have from Office 365, because in this case we can create exams, we can create tests, we can create activities for our students, and very easily we can ask questions to them and get their feedback. Okay, we will have another presentation about Forms too. And Stream, which is some kind of a video storage system of Office 365. All the different videos that we can make can be uploaded in the Stream, and from here you can have access to many videos made by Castilla y León teachers. Okay? For example, one of the possibilities that we have with the Stream is that when we make a video conference with our students or with other mates in Teams, we can record these video conferences and they will appear in this Stream app. Right, so that's what we have here as one of the possibilities to enter the tools of Office 365. Sometimes we have problems in Educación because sometimes maybe the page is very busy, or there are many people trying to have access to it. Then we have the possibility also of going into these applications from Office 365. Okay, this is the other option that we can have in case maybe the Educación web page is not working very well. Okay, so I just tell you this advice as to have another option. So from Office 365 directly, you can have access. In this case, as I am logged in through Educación, I go directly. But if you don't log in before from Educación, then it requires you to tell them your username and your password. And this way you will have access to all Office 365. I highly recommend to use Office 365 in this learning environment online.